Welcome. Today we are taking the topic regarding 3D shapes, which also known as three-dimensional shapes or solids. 3D shapes have three different measures such as length, width and height as its dimension. The only difference between 2D shape and 3D shape is that 2D shapes do not have a thickness or depth. Some examples of the 3D shapes are a cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, prism, and so on. A cuboid is a 3D shape. Cuboids have six faces which form a convex polyhedron. Broadly, the faces of the cuboid can be any quadrilateral. A cuboid that uses all square faces is a cube. Properties of the cuboid are it has 12 edges, it has 8 corners or vertices, it has 6 faces. The basic difference between a cube and a cuboid is that a cube has equal length, height and breadth, whereas in the cuboid these three may or may not be the same. The cuboid can also be called a right rectangular prism. The basic difference between a rectangle and a cuboid is that one is a 2D shape and the other is a 3D shape. If a cuboid has faces that are all square, it is a cube. All the angles in a cuboid are right angles. So, the conclusion is an object which looks like a solid box shape that has six identical square faces. A cube has a six equal and plane surfaces. All the faces of the cube are square in shape. Do you know about the prism? A prism is a three-dimensional shape with two identical shapes facing each other. These identical shapes are called bases. The bases can be a triangle, square, rectangle, or any other polygon. Other faces of the prism are rectangles. So at the end, parts of the cube, face known as sides, edge. When two edges meet each other, a line segment formed. Vertex. When 3-degree edges meet each other, a point formed. Face diagonal. Face diagonals of a cube is the line segment that join the opposite vertices of face. Space diagonal. Space diagonal of a cube are the line segment that joins the opposite vertices of a cube. So properties of the cube: volume, surface, area. Thank you.